Trials come to everyone. Sometimes they arrive like a gentle breeze, and at other times, like a sudden and overwhelming storm. A tree with many leaves shakes more in the wind, and weak roots may even be pulled out of the ground. In the same way, there are moments when we feel that we cannot endure alone. Some people rely on alcohol or drugs in such times, but this is never the way to strengthen the mind. In truth, it is running away from reality, a retreat into a deeper swamp. Just as we exercise the body to keep it strong, the mind also needs daily training. Through steady practice, we must become like a tree with deep roots that can withstand the storm. Life is not always a path of flowers. Sometimes we must walk on thorny roads. Within that pain, we may discover the true meaning of life. A healthy mind shines brightest in moments of hardship. Some people avoid difficulties. Some run away. Some fall into the trap of addiction. But we must seek wisdom in the stillness of our minds and live with gratitude for what we already have. Always remember, there are people who face even greater challenges than we do. Therefore, we must recognize the value of what we have and nurture gratitude within our hearts. To achieve this, we must first love ourselves and then cherish our families. If you collapse, those you love will also suffer deep wounds. A strong and healthy mind does not fear the storms ahead. Instead of running away, it takes one honest step after another, moving forward with persistence. Life is a drama in which you are the main character. Do not judge your limits too easily. Depending on your mindset, limitless possibilities and abilities can be born within you. Even when life feels hard, do not give up. Move forward with steady and positive thoughts. Consistency conquers all. Just as drops of water pierce through stone, mental training begins with small but steady steps. Do not run away, do not blame yourself, do not blame others. Being trapped in worry solves nothing. Instead, take a short but honest step today, a step that only you can take. Wisdom is born in a calm mind. Anger, anxiety, and blame never give birth to wisdom. Even if the desert sun scorches above your head, if you find courage within, you will not be shaken. We enter this world empty-handed, and we leave it the same way. Everything depends on the mindset you choose. A disciplined mind is like a small flame within. Even when strong winds blow, it will not be extinguished. In stillness, a person can discover the wisdom of the heart. If you are honest and upright with yourself, you can endure any trial with dignity. Though your mind may waver for a moment, like branches swaying in the wind, you will remain strong like a tree with deep roots. Take steps forward each day. As Eastern wisdom teaches, renew yourself daily, welcoming each new day with growth and change. When life feels unbearably heavy, seek wisdom in silence. Begin with what you can do right now. Be grateful that you can walk, that you can breathe, that you can see with your eyes, and hear with your ears. Even in the hardest struggles, say to yourself, it could be worse, and I am grateful it is not. I am thankful I can still rest and breathe. This attitude of gratitude will lighten your heart and make you stronger. Now let us practice gentle breathing. Meditation begins with the breath. Do not force yourself. Simply breathe in your own natural way, comfortably and easily. First, inhale deeply into your chest and exhale fully 10 times. If you know abdominal breathing, breathe in deeply into your belly, then release it slowly. You are a beginner, so do not make your breathing practice too difficult. Find a rhythm that feels comfortable for you. Then slowly inhale deeply, and exhale gently with the same length. Repeat this cycle 10 times, allowing the tension in your body and mind to melt away. Do not fight the thoughts rising in your head. Let them drift away like clouds in the sky, like leaves floating on a river. Simply let them pass. Next, lie down in a comfortable position. Do not strain yourself. Keep your back straight, your feet at shoulder width, and continue slow breathing. As you breathe, say to yourself, today was difficult, but I am safe. I felt stress, but I am still here, and I am grateful. Release the tension in your neck, arms, and legs. Observe your breathing closely. At first it may feel rough, but little by little, your whole body and your breath will become smoother and calmer. Even investing 5 to 10 minutes each day will bring peace to your body and mind. Breathing is the first step in training the mind. In quiet breathing, you may suddenly discover solutions to your worries, not from your head, but rising naturally from your heart. If it does not happen today, do not worry. Give yourself more time. Practice 5 or 10 minutes each day, and wisdom will surely arise within you. Through breathing and meditation, your body and mind will grow healthier. With consistency, habits such as smoking or drinking will slowly lose their hold on you. Ultimately, breathing is about inhaling deeply, exhaling slowly and naturally, and finding comfort and inner stillness in each moment. From that stillness, wisdom will emerge. Day after day, step by step, your mind will grow stronger. The struggles you face now will one day be challenges you have already overcome. And in time, everything will be resolved. So each day, take a short time for yourself. Breathe deeply, release your tension, and allow your calm mind to guide you forward. Written by BYEONG WOOK.